What is hypnosis, and how does hypnosis work? Although researchers have attempted to explain hypnosis, they have no clear definition of it. Much of this confusion is due to the fact that no one can really know what goes on inside a person's mind during the hypnotic state. However, we do know some basic facts about hypnosis. We know that our mind works on two levels, a subconscious and a conscious state. Our conscious mind takes care of the day-to-day business, making physical decisions and what to do to solve momentary problems. Our subconscious mind, on the other hand, handles bodily functions without our even being aware of it. It regulates our heart rate, respiration, the blinking of our eyes, the feeling of pain, and all our habits. It is a subconscious mind that also comes into play when hypnosis takes place. During hypnosis, a person's subconscious mind is somewhat subdued, not asleep, but merely less interested in what is happening. This allows the subconscious mind to become more active. As a hypnotist talks to a hypnotized person, the subconscious mind more readily accepts what is told by the hypnotist as well as the person doing their own self-hypnosis. More about that later. The one very important factor of the subconscious mind is that it is totally objective. If the subconscious mind decides to accept a suggestion, it is done so uncritically, as fact, without any emotion or any clouding of its affecting the outcome. In simple terms, hypnosis is just a state of suggestibility, a state in which we are more likely to accept the suggestions of another person or even ourselves under self-hypnosis. While all that we learn, even consciously, eventually affects the subconscious state of mind, the hypnotic state is a much more direct and effective way of changing your states of consciousness in your subconscious, and a direct and effective way of reaching a goal. A suggestion, once accepted and received by the subconscious, is automatically and uncritically acted upon.